Hi! Today I'm going to be talking about some zero waste body care products. I have a video talking about zero waste skincare where I tried out quite a few products from Lush, and this video is a little bit similar to that, but I just wanted to go through some of the products that I use and recommendations for things like lotions and soaps and deodorants and other things like that, which are pretty easy, I think, to transition from plastic packaging type products to zero waste, or at least plastic free. So the first product I'm going to talk about is deodorant. I know there are tons of natural deodorants out there, and I know there are ways you can make your own deodorant, and a lot of zero waste options I see are like a paste that you like mix yourself, or you can buy in like a little metal tin and you have to scoop the paste out of there and then spread it onto your armpit. And as much as I want to be as zero waste as possible, that option just was not for me. I just couldn't transition from using traditional deodorant to that. I did try quite a few natural deodorant brands, and almost none of them worked. There has only been one that I've tried that actually worked for me, and the first time I tried it, it was in plastic packaging, but now Native has a line of plastic-free packaging. It's in like cardboard paper, and you just push it up and the deodorant comes out. There's no plastic at all, which is so nice. So I definitely would recommend Native deodorant. I used to see this like sponsored a lot of the time on like Instagram and YouTube, and I thought that it would probably just be like all the other natural deodorants I've tried, but it truly is the only one I've tried that I felt did what it's supposed to do. And I like that it is still in that stick form rather than a paste, because it feels more like the deodorants that I used to use in the past. The next thing we're going to talk about is lotion. I feel like lotion, like hand cream and body lotion in general, is something that I know personally I just have a lot of. Just it's the thing that you like accumulate random tubes of over time, and I definitely want to like use what I have first, but I still do have some recommendations. And the first one is a Lush product. I have this Lush body cream, and it does come in I believe plastic container, but you are able to take this back to Lush stores and they will reuse the container, so it's not going to waste. I think that is great on Lush, but even if you don't like that option, they also still have some zero waste moisturizing bars, like kind of how they have soap and you can like get a piece off of that and just use that as a bar and rub it over your body, and you can use that as lotion. I think that's another good option. Lush isn't the only brand that has that. There are plenty of those that you can find online at like zero waste type stores that'll sometimes be wrapped in like paper, so no waste there either. And the same thing goes for soap as far as that element of body washing. I used to be really into liquid body wash, but that always comes in a plastic bottle, so I decided to switch to bar soap, and so far every bar soap I've used has been perfectly fine. I don't think it's super hard to find zero waste soap, because I mean, I just went to like my local co-op grocery store and there was like 10 different types of soap that were just in almost no packaging at all, except like a little strip of paper on them just so that they could be scanned. So there's plenty of soap options out there that are totally plastic and package free. Related to that is some shaving products. I have talked about my Leaf Shave razor in multiple videos at this point, since removing body hair is something that I do, and I wanted to get a razor that is plastic free, so I have my Leaf Shave metal razor. But going along with that, I do have this bar that is like shaving, it's like a shaving bar. I don't think this is like a must-have. I got it because it came in like a bundle that I got with my Leaf Shave razor. I believe it was on like packagefreeshop.com, and I think that you could use soap probably in place of this, but it is a really nice bar, so I did want to mention it if you are very into the idea of having some sort of shaving cream. There are shaving bars that don't come in any packaging that could do that same job. I also wanted to mention exfoliating. This is not something I do on a super regular basis, but I occasionally would buy like a big tub of body scrub, and I don't know why I ever bothered, because this is the easiest thing to do it yourself. Certain types of body care products like deodorant or toothpaste, I just don't even want to bother with trying to make myself, but exfoliating scrub is something that I will do just because it's so easy and I don't have to do it all the time. Just because I'm not exfoliating super often. I do it if like my legs feel particularly dry in the winter. All you have to do is mix together sugar and oil. I typically use coconut oil and I just melt it down, and then I added brown sugar, but you really could use white sugar, turbinado sugar. That would probably be a little bit coarser. Probably don't use that on your face, but brown sugar. This scrub can be used on your face as well for like a skincare item, and it just exfoliates your legs really well, and it also, because of the oil, makes them so easy to shave. The razor just glides over it. It's so nice. So that's a very easy DIY body scrub that you could use. You can use it on your lips too. So those are all of the zero waste body care products I have to talk about today. I'll put some links in the description if you're interested in looking into any of them yourself. I'll also include my video on zero waste skincare for some items for your face if you're into that. And hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.